Hi guys, it's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will tell you that how to get description, hashtags and keywords for your TikTok video or YouTube video with the help of ChatGPT, right? That's how I personally do it. If you like this way, follow this, or if you have got some better advice to find a better description, better title, and description and hashtags and keywords, please let me know in the comment section below. So, for example, if I'm making a video of how to use self-service car wash, right? So I will write ChatGPT. I will write on ChatGPT that please give me a best title with SEO and most SEARCHABLE searchable title for my video about how to use self service car wash, right? Okay, now I enter. So it says here are highly searchable SEO optimized title options for video about using a self-service car wash. So best overall SEO title, how to use self-service car wash step by step for beginners. So this is the best title, but if you want more high search variation, then you can see there are a lot of different titles. It gave you the option, and and it says why these title works, because they include high search keywords, how to use self-service car wash guide and tutorial, and then click boosting phrases step by step like a pro, avoid mistakes first time, evergreen appeal, not tied tightly to trend. If you want, okay, now if you want, tell me if your video more beginner focused or advanced tips. It's asking you, is it a short video or long YouTube video? I can then tailor the perfect title and description, hashtag, keywords for your exact format, right? So I've got the title. Now I'm gonna ask him, um I'm just gonna say direct description, hashtags in one line, because if you don't put one line it gives you in a vertical order, and then keywords with comma. So if you're gonna ask ChatGPT keywords, you have to type with comma, because if you don't write with comma it will give you without comma, and then you have to put comma in between to put on your tags on your YouTube video. All right, so now I enter this. So I got a description. Here is a fully optimized package for your video on how to use self-service car wash designed for search plus reach. Okay, this is a description. Learn how to use a self-service car wash step by step in this beginner-friendly guide. I will show you the correct order to wash your car, how to use soap, rinse, wax, and avoid common mistakes so you can save money and still get professional clean. Perfect for first timers and anyone wanting better result from a self-service car wash. See, beautiful description you have got. And then you have got hashtags. You can put in hashtags in description, below description, and then keywords. So all these keywords, so you can paste it on to your tags, right? And how you copy these description, I will show you one example. You just little bit press and then select, and then did you see the copy thing? So copy it and then go on to your TikTok or YouTube and paste it there. And same thing you do with the title. Copy the title exactly the same way. Where is the title? The title was, I want to choose is how to use self-service car wash step by step for beginners. And same way you're gonna use keywords, right? And now I want a thumbnail. So I will ask him simply create wide THU thumbnail, right? Let's see if it creates or not. So it's creating a thumbnail for me. It's gonna take few seconds or a minute. So it's just creating right now. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be ready soon. So just a waiting game. Come on, quick. All right, it seems like, yep, it's gonna be ready soon. All right, I'm still waiting, waiting, waiting. Yes, still waiting. If you can't wait, guys, you can just quick forward the video and see what the image it has created, right? It has been created, so it's gonna be visible very soon. See, this is the image. And to save this image onto your album, phone album, and then upload it for your YouTube video or TikTok video, you click on this and then you just simply on the top it says save. So as soon as you press save, this image will be saved onto your album, and from the album you can upload it onto your YouTube or TikTok video. That's how you do it, guys. All right, I hope you find this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.